push-up challenge or the press-up challenge. This is the most efficient way of doing press-ups or a push-up. It's called a push-up board. I just bought it a couple of days ago. I think it's almost more than 1 week now with this thing, and it has been very useful and efficient. Before that, I used to do push-up using the other methods of hands, and thought I was doing a lot of push-ups, but then I realized with this you may not be able to do more at a time, but they will be most efficient. So there are about 10 ways of doing push-ups here, targeting specific muscles. You can target your tricep muscle, these ones. If you do the green ones, you target your shoulder muscles. If you do the red one, 1, 2, 3 ways to target your shoulder. And the yellow ones, they target your back. Right. So how do we do this? Let's do it. That's the best way to demonstrate, isn't it? Talking is not enough. You have to do it, okay? Right. So here are the handles. So you have to connect it. So let's come here. Let me connect it here. Right. You connect it here. There you are. There you are. So you put it together. Right. It's connected now. Look. Here you can connect some pulleys. There are some pulleys in there, but I've never used them. Just interested in coming inside. Right, okay, that's fine. Coming. So these are the handles. You put them. I usually like to start with my back. All right, let's start with the back. So you put it on the yellow one. That's the back. That's back. All right, good. Right, go on there. Let's do. Right, let's go. We are doing the back first, and I'm gonna do in the sense. Let's go. Right, we did 10. That's right. So of course we have to change. We did the back. You may like to continue on the back, or change to shoulders. For example, right, let's change to shoulders. Okay. Right. Take a breath, a minute, and then do again. See how many we can do on shoulders. Alright, can we go? Yeah. Right, on shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, finished. But it's very efficient. So you take a breath again until maybe over 30 minutes or to an hour, if you do up to the time you complete all of them. We have done up like 80 effective push-ups, right? Cut.